Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to buy ETH using MetaMask. First, you'll need to install the MetaMask browser extension or mobile application on your device. Once installed, you can either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. Remember, this phrase is crucial for accessing your funds, so keep it extremely safe and never share it with anyone. This initial setup is your gateway to the decentralized web. After setting up your wallet, the next step is to get some Ether into it. MetaMask offers direct options to buy crypto using fiat currency. You can connect a debit card, credit card, or even a bank account through integrated services. Alternatively, if you already own Ether on another exchange, you can simply transfer it to your unique MetaMask wallet address. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction. Once you have funds in your MetaMask wallet, you can use a decentralized exchange or DEX to swap for other tokens. Connect your MetaMask wallet to your chosen DEX like Uniswap or SushiSwap. Select the token you wish to swap from and the token you want to receive, such as swapping a stablecoin for Ether. Review the transaction details, including any fees, and then approve and confirm the swap within MetaMask. It's a straightforward process. After completing your purchase or swap, it's good practice to confirm everything. You can check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer using the transaction hash provided. Your new Ether balance should also reflect in your MetaMask wallet shortly after the transaction is confirmed on the network. Remember that network fees, often called gas, are paid in Ether and vary based on network congestion. Always keep a small amount of Ether for future transactions.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.